Hello and welcome. I'm Shagun, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 books that I think every college student must read. See, reading is very essential, and for me personally, it has been very beneficial. It helped me increase my focus, my memory, it enhanced my communication skill, and overall personality. It feels like you're in a different world. सो इस वीडियो में मैं बात करूँगी ऐसी 5 बुक्स जो मेरे लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल है एंड आई थिंक हर किसी कॉलेज स्टूडेंट के लिए ये बेनिफिशियल रहेंगी. आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग व्हेन आई वाज इन लाइक 8th or 9th standard, and it has improved my personal and professional skills drastically. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's begin. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. So the first book which I think every college student must read is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It's been written by Robert T. Kiyosaki, and I think it's a perfect investment of time. It talks about money, what money really is, and how can it basically tells the mentality of rich versus poor. So it creates what is financial status, what is financial literacy, how can be financially independent. It basically emphasizes the idea that work for free and keep your brain open, keep working on your mind, and one day your mind will automatically lead to you for greater things. So that's the whole idea about it. It also discusses what is liability, what is asset, what is a good asset, and what is a poor asset. Like a liability to one person can be an asset to another. So basically, rich mindset focus on getting more and more of assets. That's what this book is all about. I think many people do not want to talk about this financial thing, and for college going students, I think it would be a great fit. So you definitely, a college going student definitely need to read this book, and it will help you a lot. So do check out this book and you won't regret this for sure. Moving on to second book, which is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F. It's been written by Mark Manson, and it is an amazing book. It's based on the mentality that you need to focus and emphasize on things which you can control and just let go of things which you cannot. So do not spend your energy, your time on the things which are beyond your control. I think that's something which every college student needs to understand. Like, there are some people who kind of shows off on like, we know this generation is a social media generation. So everyone just shows off on social media the lifestyle which they don't even have. So that, I think, is the biggest problem right now. And we need to understand that what we want in life and what we want at work and how can we get that. That's the basic idea of this book. And I think that's amazing that more of people need to get into their head this thing. So you have very less amount of F's to give, and also you need to focus on the priority thing. Like, not everything needs your attention, not everything needs your energy, not every people you need to care about. So let it be and focus on your own work, focus on your own journey. That's what really matters, and that's the book. So you need to invest in this. So the next book is Hello World, and it's been authorized by Hannah Fry. Hannah Fry is a mathematician at Royal Institute in UK, and basically in this book she talks about how to be a human in a world full of machines. As the name suggests, and we all know we are surrounded by machines, it targets the artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence is impacting us, how it is impacting our day-to-day lives. So that's what it talks about. And doesn't matter if you are from commerce, you're from medical, you're an engineer, doctor, doesn't matter. You need to know what's happening around you, how the world is changing, how the world is evolving around you. We know that it's an era of artificial intelligence and machines are taking over human. And also next years are like going to be full of such stuff. So one needs to know that what's the history of this thing, how things get invented, and how it is basically changing from day-to-day life. So that's what this book talks about, and I think I highly recommend this book. Everyone must read this book. So the next book going to be on the list is Ikigai. It has a basic idea of how to live a longer and a happier life, how people in Japan even cross 100 of years and still are happy working what they are doing so far. So it consists of to find your own Ikigai. Ikigai is something, it consists of an exercise by finding out what you love, what you need, what people around you want you to do, and also what you will get paid for. When these four circles meet at a single point, and that would be your Ikigai, that would be your passion, and that would create an impact around you. I highly recommend this book as it is great for your mental health, and it will create a clear picture of what you really want to do in life. So, the fifth book on the list is Ego is the Enemy. It's been written by Ryan Holiday, and it's an amazing, amazing book. It basically talks about how ego can ruin a person, how ego can destroy so many things. So, it targets that climbing on a mountain, the difficulties you face while achieving a goal, and when you achieve a goal, when you reach the mountain, how you can still stay humble and not let ego take over you. It also talks about various leaders who have been destroyed due to their egoistic nature, and so that's the basic idea. We need to stay calm and humble, and we all have experienced such stuff in our life when we are overconfident or we have a sense of ego in all of us. That's what we need to avoid. So I highly recommend all of these five books, and also it's not sponsored, but yeah, you can instead of reading, you can listen to these books on an app called Audible. It's a great app, and for me, I really like the experience of reading books. I think I can finish a book way quicker than instead of reading. I know reading has a different experience and feelings, but yes, you can try that and you might really like it. So that's all. And if you have any question, do comment. And I hope these all five books will really help all of you. And thanks for watching.